Alright, this is a 2-pack of T8 replacement bulbs that are LED strips instead of fluorescent bulbs for T8, or I think they work in T12 as well, lights. Now these are the ones where you have to bypass the ballast, so you can't just plug them in a light and have it work. You have to get rid of the ballast, and that means that light fixture will only work for the LED bulbs. But the LED bulbs are better for the environment than the fluorescent ones anyways. So inside the main cardboard shipping box you get 2 of these little boxes, this T8 LED tube. They have a whole bunch of information here that is not checked, so what is inside there happens to be what you ordered, but it's not really listed on it. For Type B instruction, you got to remove the ballast and hook up the setup like this, or hook it up like that. So inside the shipping box there's this manual folded up, and it has all your options of feeding from one end or feeding from both ends, and it pretty much just shows you a wiring diagram of how to set everything up. Helpfully tell you that the power must be off before and during installation. Right, so nothing was marked up here, but the actual tube says T8 LED tube, and it says it is the 12-watt version, and it's 4000 K, so the color temperature is kind of a cool white, or technically it's nature white, but it's on the cooler end of the spectrum. Alright, so this end says ballast bypass required, so it is a Type B where we have to bypass the ballast. It says single end or dual end power, and they have live and neutral, and at the other end they have a thing that says live, but nothing with an N on it. So the live or hot wire goes to one end, and the neutral, usually the white wire, goes to the other end. You can also do live and neutral to one end if you want to. They come with these protectors that plug over this guy for shipping that do have to be removed before you install it. So this fixture was originally had T12 bulbs in it, but the little tombstones at the end there will work with T8 bulbs. Took the cover off. You can see the ballast there that we're going to bypass. So the tombstones have 2 yellow wires and 2 blue wires. I'm going to check and see if they're connected together or if they're separate on either side. And we could feed power from one end if they're not connected, shunted together, or we could feed power from both ends if we want. Alright, so power from the switch is coming from the white and the black wire. It was previously connected to this wire, which feeds the ballast, and then the ballast goes to both ends. So we're just going to remove the ballast entirely and chop these wires here. So the 2 yellow wires go to the right-hand tombstone. I checked it for continuity between these wires, so it is not having any continuity, so those are not shunted. So we could separate the 2 yellow wires and do white and black and feed it from one end, but since these wires are long enough to reach here, I'm going to feed from both ends. I've arbitrarily decided that this side is going to be the line or hot side, so I've connected all of those to the black wire. And then all of these guys will be the neutral side, which connect to the white wire. So I found the 18 gauge wire stripper worked well for those green, yellow, red, and brown wires inside the that were leading away from the ballast. To mark that there's no ballast in here and help the next guy out, I put a line on the line side and a neutral on the neutral side, or an L and an N at least. So if you're feeding this from one side, you put line and neutral both on this end. I'm feeding it from 2 sides, so this is the N side, the neutral side, and the other side up here is the line side, so orientation does matter. Before I put the cover on, I'm putting a bulb up just to test this thing. And the truth, looks like it's working. I'm going to put the cover on and put the other bulb up. So I thought I was being clever by hiding the writing upwards, but it looks like the LED strip is actually on that side, so I need to flip them 180 degrees so it's pointing down. Alright, so now that black line, which is the LED light strip, is at the top and pretty much not visible, and maybe we're getting a little bit more light. Alright, these T8 bulbs fit into my T12 fixture. They're a little smaller diameter-wise, but they still put out a lot of light. So installation was relatively simple, given that it is the bypass the ballast type as opposed to just the plug-and-play type. So it worked pretty easily, and they're making light.